In the shadows of science, where curiosity meets innovation, secrets are being unveiled. Imagine a world where the lines between the laboratory and the natural world are blurred, where what we know of biology is being rewritten with every experiment. Picture secret labs hidden away from the public eye, where the hum of machines echoes against sterile walls, and the air is thick with the promise of discovery. Here, in these clandestine corners of the scientific community, the impossible is being made possible. Underneath the veil of secrecy, researchers are pushing the boundaries of what we understand about life. They are treading into unexplored territories, carrying out projects that sound more like science fiction than reality. We're talking about hybrid animals, creatures born not from nature, but from the hands of scientists, from the fusion of cells and genes, from the depths of human ingenuity. But why the secrecy? Why the shroud of mystery? The answer lies in the intricate balance of intrigue and controversy that surrounds these labs. On one hand, the potential for scientific advancement is immense. The creation of hybrid animals could revolutionize fields from medicine to agriculture. On the other hand, the ethical implications are vast and complex. It's a dance on the razor's edge of innovation and morality, a dance that is performed behind closed doors. Yet, as with all secrets, fragments of truth find their way to the surface. Whispers of projects like Hoxton Farms, a biotech company producing cultivated animal fat, or Stakeholder Foods, which has successfully 3D printed a cultivated fish fillet, begin to circulate. These are mere glimpses into what lies beneath the surface, hints at the depth and breadth of the work being done in these hidden laboratories. Prepare to delve into the undisclosed world of hybrid animals, masterpieces of scientific ingenuity. Behind fortified walls and under the vigilant eyes of top scientists, the secret labs hum with ceaseless activity. Imagine a world where the impossible is made possible, where the lines between science and magic blur. This isn't a scene from a science fiction novel, but the reality in secret labs around the world. These clandestine establishments are the new frontiers of scientific discovery, where brilliant minds work tirelessly to create the future. These labs are not just ordinary labs. They are sophisticated, state-of-the-art facilities equipped with cutting-edge technology, allowing scientists to push the boundaries of what's possible. They are the incubators of innovation, the crucibles of creativity, where ideas are transformed into tangible realities. Let's consider Hoxton Farms and Stakeholder Foods without delving too much into the specifics. These two establishments are just a fraction of the pioneering forces in this field. Hoxton Farms, a London-based biotech firm, is revolutionizing the food industry with their cultivated animal fat, while Stakeholder Foods in Israel has achieved a significant milestone with their 3D printed cultivated fish fillet. Both of these secret labs, though differing in their approach, share a common objective: to create sustainable, innovative solutions that challenge our conventional understanding of food production. They are but two examples of the countless secret labs around the globe, each with their own unique goals and groundbreaking projects. From developing new forms of sustainable energy to creating life-saving medical treatments, these labs are where the future is being written. The work conducted in these labs is not just about scientific advancement, but about shaping the world of tomorrow. It's about transforming the way we live, the way we eat, the way we exist. The fruits of their labor are nothing short of extraordinary, a testament to the boundless possibilities of science. Within these hallowed halls of science, life is being redefined. This redefinition is happening through the creation of hybrid animals, a concept that not so long ago belonged solely to the realm of science fiction. But how, you might wonder, does this process come to fruition? At its core, the process involves the use of stem cells, the unsung heroes of biology. These cells have the unique ability to develop into different cell types in the body during early life and growth. In these labs, scientists start by isolating stem cells from the animal species they wish to hybridize. These cells are then nurtured in a special nutrient-rich medium that encourages them to grow and multiply. But the magic doesn't stop there. The technology of three-dimensional printing, once only used for creating plastic prototypes, has found a new home in biology. Here it's used to create a scaffold, a structure that gives the cells a shape to grow on. This structure, in essence, becomes the blueprint for our hybrid creature. Using a printer specially designed for biological material, scientists deposit layers of cells onto the scaffold. Much like an artist layering paint onto a canvas, they carefully place different types of cells in specific areas. This allows them to create intricate structures with a high degree of precision, such as a fish fillet or even an entire organ. Over time, these cells begin to interact, grow, and eventually form tissue. This tissue then matures to create the hybrid animals, a blend of species brought together in a way that nature never intended, but science made possible. But why, you might ask, are scientists creating these hybrids? Well, one of the main reasons is to develop more sustainable and ethical sources of meat. By creating meat in a lab, we can reduce the environmental impact of traditional farming and potentially eliminate the need for animal slaughter. The result? A new breed of creatures, hybrids that blur the line between the natural and the engineered. Meet the hybrids, the revolutionary creations of these clandestine laboratories. These aren't your typical crossbreeds. We're talking about hybrids born from the marriage of science and technology, created in labs and not in nature. These hybrid animals are the end products of a revolutionary process that combines biology, technology, and culinary artistry. Take Hoxton Farms, for example. This London-based biotech firm has been tinkering behind closed doors to bring us something truly unique. They've managed to cultivate animal fat, a feat that might sound simple, but in practice is a groundbreaking achievement. This isn't just about making bacon without the pig. It's about optimizing fat cell growth using custom bioreactors and expanding beyond just pork fat to include chicken and fish fat equivalents. The result? Hybrid meat products that taste as good as the real deal, but without the associated environmental and ethical concerns. Then there's Stakeholder Foods, an Israeli startup that's taken a different angle on the hybrid animal concept. They've successfully 3D printed a cultivated fish fillet. Yes, you heard that right, a fish fillet, born not in the sea but in a lab. Using stem cells and 3D printing technology, they've achieved flavor parity with conventional meat, thereby reducing environmental impact and paving the way for more sustainable seafood production. The potential uses and benefits of these hybrid animals are immense. They could revolutionize the way we produce and consume food, making meat production more ethical, sustainable, and accessible. They could offer a solution to the growing global demand for meat, reducing the strain on our planet's resources. These hybrid animals are more than mere scientific curiosities. They are the harbingers of a new era. The ripples of this scientific revolution reach far and wide. Picture a world where our dinner plates are adorned with meats grown in labs, not farms. This isn't just a potential future. It's a reality that's unfolding right now. London-based biotech company Hoxton Farms is already optimizing fat cell growth for pork, chicken and fish in their labs. This could revolutionize the food industry, offering a sustainable and cruelty-free alternative to traditional livestock farming. But it's not just about bacon without the guilt. The medical field could also benefit from this research. By understanding how to grow specific cells, scientists could potentially develop organ replacements or treatments for degenerative conditions. However, it's not all smooth sailing. This brave new world of hybrid animals and lab-grown meat also brings with it a host of challenges. Regulatory hurdles need to be crossed, and there's the question of consumer acceptance. Will people be willing to swap their steak for a slab of lab-grown meat? These are questions that need answering. And then there's the ethical conundrum. Is it right to create hybrid animals in labs? While the focus is currently on cells, who's to say scientists won't be tempted to create whole creatures? These controversies are part of the package and need careful consideration. Looking to the future, the potential is vast. The environmental impact alone could be monumental. Livestock farming is a major contributor to greenhouse gases. By replacing it with lab-grown alternatives, we could significantly reduce our carbon footprint. But it's not just about what's possible, it's about what's right. As we tread this new path, we must ensure that ethics and sustainability guide our steps. We must also remember that science is a tool to serve humanity, not the other way around. In the secret labs, the future is being written one hybrid at a time.